Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make crab omelette. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Required ingredients are half big onion finely chopped, half tomato, handful of coriander leaves, crab meat from one small crab, one green chilli and one egg beaten. Along with egg I have added required amount of salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon chili paste. It is optional. Now let's mix all the ingredients with the egg. Keep a pan or tawa. Add 1 tablespoon ghee. When the ghee is hot, pour the omelette mixture and sprinkle some pepper powder on top of the omelette. Wait for a few seconds and flip it over the other side. After flipping, wait for another few seconds. Now our crab omelette is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.